We're going to try this product called Fryaway. It's an additive that you put in hot oil after you've cooked something, and it solidifies it so that you can then throw it away and don't have to put hot oil or any oil down the drain or whatever. You don't have to worry about it. So we've got a scooper in the package here, and we've got the little flakes, and we're going to sprinkle one scoop in this oil while it's hot. Then we're going to stir it. So let me get a spoon. And now we're going to let it cool completely. Then we'll come back and see if it hardened. I want to thank the company for sending me this sample of Fryaway so that I can demonstrate and show you how it works. So I'm back after a couple of hours, and you can see that this oil with the Fryaway has solidified. So I'm just scraping it up, scraping it out of the skillet. It really worked good, just like it's supposed to. Performs as advertised. Now I can just scoop it into the wastebasket. That is really great. And I didn't have to put any oil down the drain, which I wouldn't do anyway. I always go throw it outside. That really worked good. So I think Fryaway is a great product. There it is. If you'd like to try it for yourself, just click on the link below.